Hey guys, we're getting straight into the oats that we mowed last video. So we're going to go rake it and have the baler straight behind the rake. So yeah, we'll get stuck into it. So here we are, just making our way down on the first couple of laps. We're just trying to figure out how to go up and back. It's our first year having a paddock cut up and back rather than round and round. So it's a bit interesting with a one-way rake. We'll keep moving along here. The baler's on its way out now. So. Hey guys, it's a few days later now. I'm just working at a contracting job at the moment, doing some baling for one of our neighbours. I didn't get much footage of our baling because Dad did all the driving, but I figured I could make up for it while I'm contracting. So yeah, we're just making our way along, trying to get the bale nice and level there. It's going nice and smoothly. It's like a ryegrass oat mix at the moment. Yeah, anyway, we'll poke along here and get it done. Anyway guys, I might just keep moving along here, getting the bale interrupted. Anyway guys, I might just poke along here, but we'll move into some windrowing. We'll let this bale out. But yeah, we'll move into some windrowing now, because that'll be starting very soon. Now we're moving on to getting ready for windrowing, as it'll probably start at the end of this week. So lamb shearing's on at the moment as well, and I'm just working on changing a couple knife sections on the draper front here. This one specifically is completely buggered, so we're gonna get him out and put on a couple new knife sections as well. Got all the bits, so yeah, we'll change it. There's one, there goes number two, and there goes the third. So here's the old one. As you can see, it's pretty buggered. Just to compare it to a new one, that's upside down. And there you go. So this is supposed to be a solid plate right through, which is completely missing and it's been hit. So yeah, we'll get the new one in. Got a heap of new knife sections as well, so we're just changing them out. So here's an old one compared to a new one. You can see they're a lot more worn down. Put them back to back. Anyway, we'll throw the new ones on and put it back together. Here's the other one real quick. It's also a lot more worn down here from rubbing against the guard. Well, that's the new section on. That's the second one. There's just a couple more to do down there, but the same thing. So.